Started. Give it a quick spray. See, people just take their impact onto these, but if it slips, then it rounds out and you're kind of hooped. So, put this whole thing on there. This is called a impact driver. This will save your butt. I will. Go. Broken loose. And do the other one. There we go. Broken loose. Still in there pretty tight. And if you slipped it, strip that, then you gotta drill it out. Or some people say this is just for the factory. I don't believe that. I believe it keeps the rotor running circular and straight and all that. Nice. Of course it sees down there. Alright, well, I'll show you another trick. These little holes right here. As long as it's not too seized, you can stick a thread in there and get them out. I'll go grab them.